Give me 60 seconds, you will know how artificial intelligence use AI in aerospace. First, aircraft design and engineering. Boeing and Airbus use AI in their designs and manufacturing workflow. AI can predict stress, heat, vibration, and also improves fuel efficiency and speed. Second, autonomous flights and drones. Skydio, an AI autonomous drone. When the task has assigned to Skydio drone, so it will automatically complete the tasks. In this drone use artificial intelligence. Also, autonomous taxis, air mobility vehicles means vehicles travel in air. While traveling in a route, it will avoid the obstacles. Means any construction will happen, it will avoid that route. Automatic landing systems. Third, predictive maintenance. While project is created before, we will do some research and route. In that research only artificial intelligence can predict a problem early. So cost efficiency of the failure may reduce by help of AI. And artificial intelligence helps to analyze the engine sensors data, detect unusual vibration or temperature, schedule maintenance before breakdown. Means before the expiry of the machinery, it will alert and schedule the maintenance of that system. So in this case, artificial intelligence helps so much of benefits like lower costs, safer flights. Means maintenance of the flights and engines will be good by using AI while scheduling the tasks of the engines, and flight delays may reduce. GE Aerospace uses artificial intelligence for engine health monitoring. Fourth, space exploration. AI plays a key role in spacecrafts while spacecraft is far from Earth. It automatically predicts the tasks which want to do, like satellite image analysis, fault detection in spacecraft system, space debris tracking. Means in Earth orbit, human-made trash is revolving, like old rockets, old satellites. This type of trash is revolving. To avoid that collisions of spacecrafts, artificial intelligence helps to make a new route to navigate. Autonomous navigation on Mars. NASA uses AI in rovers and mission planning at Mars. Fifth, pilot assistance and safety. AI helps a pilot to make better decisions like weather risk alerts, route collision avoidance, and smart cockpit assistance. Cockpit assistance means AI-based assistants are used in aircraft pilot area. Sixth, air traffic management. AI helps manage crowded skies, predict flight delays, optimize routes, reduce fuel burns, means reduce fuel usage, manage airport traffic. Seventh, manufacturing and supply chains. Merging different types of parts by using robots. In future, artificial intelligence is used in spacecrafts like swarm drones for defense and rescue. Swarm drones means a group of drones works with the same task assigned to them. So in these different types, artificial intelligence is used in aerospace to reduce human power and improve work efficiency better. So if you like this content, like this video, share this content and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.